A unified force, each dribble, pass, a winning course. Commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. More than a league, a family we found, on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe, in VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. Every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBL's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. My hand strong, a unified force, each dribble, pass, a winning course. Commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. A family we found, on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe, in VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. At every corner, every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBL's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. From my hand strong, a unified force, each dribble, pass, a winning course. Commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. More than a league, a family we found, on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe, in VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. Every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBL's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. a unified force. Each dribble, pass, a winning course. Commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight for glory, honor, shining light. More than a league, a family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. Every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBL's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight for glory, honor, shining light. My hand strong, a unified force. Each dribble, pass, a winning course. Commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight for glory, honor, shining light. League, a family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Basketball, me and you. At every corner, every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBL's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight for glory, honor, shining light. From my hand strong, a unified force. Each dribble, pass, a winning course. Commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight for glory, honor, shining light. More than a league, a family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. Every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBL's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. My hand strong, a unified force, each dribble pass, a winning course, commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. A family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. At every corner, every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBL's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. So my hand strong, a unified force, each dribble pass, a winning course, commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. More than a league, a family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. Every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBL's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. My hand strong, a unified force, each dribble pass, a winning course, commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. A family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brother me and you. At every corner, every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBO's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBO, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. My hand strong, a unified force, each dribble pass, a winning course, commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. A family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Basketball, me and you. At every corner, every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBO's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. So my hand strong, a unified force, each dribble pass, a winning course, commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. More than a league, a family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, watch us grow. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBL, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. Every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBO's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. My hand strong, a unified force, each dribble pass, a winning course, commitment shown in every game. VRBL's legend, etched in fame. VRBL, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion, day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. A family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBL spirit, VRBO, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBO, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you. Every corner, every street, a brotherhood of hoops can't be beat. VRBO's rising, hear the call. Subdivision schools, stand up tall. VRBO, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. My hand strong, a unified force, each dribble pass, a winning course, commitment shown in every game. VRBO's legend etched in fame. VRBO, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. A family we found on this court where friendships abound. Respect the game, respect the foe. In VRBO spirit, watch us grow. VRBO, the fire burns bright, with pride and passion day and night. In a rivalry, a thrilling fight, for glory, honor, shining light. VRBO, the name rings true. Brotherhood of basketball, me and you.
Sunrise paints the city gold. Another day begins to unfold. For Coach H-Bomb, a man of might, ready to embrace the day and fight. Basketball court, his second home. Dribbling skills, he's overcome this journey. Strong and true, pushing limits through and through. Life's a vlog, a daily show, with twists and turns and highs and low. Family moments, laughter bright, filling his days with pure delight. Rotaries call, a helping hand, serving others across the land. Sportscasting voice, clear and strong, sharing passion all along. Unboxing treasures, big and small, adventures waiting, standing tall. From early mornings, sweat and strain, to evenings calm, a sweet refrain. He balances it all with grace, a smile upon his weathered face. The court's his canvas, games his art, a beating rhythm in his heart. He coaches young minds, strong and bold, stories of triumph to be told. Life's a vlog, a daily show, with twists and turns and highs and low. Family moments, laughter bright, filling his days with pure delight. Rotaries call, a helping hand, serving others across the land. Sportcasting voice, clear and strong, sharing passion all along. Unboxing treasures, big and small, adventures waiting, standing tall. He's more than just a coach, you see, a father, friend, community, inspiring others day by day, showing the world a better way. Life's a vlog, a daily show, with twists and turns and highs and low. Family moments, laughter bright, filling his days with pure delight. Rotaries call, a helping hand, serving others across the land. Sportcasting voice, clear and strong, sharing passion all along. Unboxing treasures, big and small, adventures waiting, standing tall. So raise a glass to Coach H-Bomb, a life well lived, a heart of gold. His daily journey, a story told, a legend in the making, brave and bold.
Hello! Yan! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat! Another week na naman tayo ng ating VRBL Draft Combine Podcast! Yo! Yeah, ayusin lang natin saglit, no? Yan! Ayan, may bisita tayo dito. As always, ang ating fan dito sa bahay. So, yun another week and another podcast, no? Napakaganda na nangyari last Saturday sa ating double header. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, punta muna tayo sa first announcement, no? Yes. Yan. Because of the success of the Draft Combine Season 1, i-open na natin ngayon due to popular demand ang Draft Combine Season 2. Yung so, sa lahat ng mga gustong sumali sa isa sa pinakamagandang draft league sa East Area, i-PM nyo lang po ang inyong lingkod or si Commissioner Carl Buenbiae or mag-PM kayo sa page ng VRBL para ma-add kayo sa GC natin. No? So, this will be also limited slots, no? Parang ang peg natin is still 8 teams, 96 players, and at least at most 12 players per team tayo, no? So ano pang inaantay nyo, no? Magandang panimula para sa March. Ang estimate nito is March last week ang ating start ng ating Season 2. Yan. Then, ano nga ba ang format ng VRBL, no? Format ng VRBL natin. Yan. So, ganun pa rin, no? Passerelle rules up to third quarter, 5 minutes. Sub. Tapos, ganun pa rin, no pro, semi-pro, ex-pro, ex-semi-pro, school varsity, team A and B. Then, puro papawis players lang naman talaga ang ating sinasama rito para sa kanila naman to at pag-enjoy tayo sa paglalaro ng ating mahal na sport na basketball. So, yun pa rin, same uniform pa rin ang gagamitin natin para makatipid yung ating mga manlalaro. Itong red and yellow jersey na supplied by BIP Manila. Kawang BIP. Yun. Ang schedule pa rin natin is still Saturdays, no? We will start at 1 p.m. up to 5 p.m. Kings Landing, Cainta, no? Kasi meron ng Taytay. Then, yun nga, tulad sinabi natin kanina, target opening is March 2026, no? Then, yun, for new players, ang ating quota is 3,000 pesos with the 2 jersey inclusion na yun, no? Samantalang naman ang ating returning players ay 2,000 na lang ang babayaran dahil meron na silang uniforms. Tapos ganun pa rin, no, single round robin if 6 teams, then cross bracket if 8 teams. So, nakita nyo ba yan? Pakagwapo ng ginawang model sa poster, no, na si Team Head Race Ramos na nasa baba. Feeling pogi talaga yan eh. So yun, no, inaanyayahan namin kayo lahat, no, sa mga gustong sumali at gusto lang talaga magpapawis at naghahanap ng competitive na papawis na liga. Subukan nyo itong VRBL Draft Combined. At talagang mag-e-enjoy kayo dito dahil very accommodating at very friendly naman ang ating mga committees dito, lalo na ang ating commissioner na si Carl Buenviaje. Yan. So, tapos na tayo sa invite natin, no? Dako na tayo sa mga nangyari or sa summary na nangyari last Saturday. As we can see in the poster, napakagandang ngiti ni Boss JMP at ang kanyang gold chain sa kompletong kompleto. Yes, kompletong, no? As Team Piduts complete the sweep of the elimination round. Yay! Grabe tong Piduts, no? Pinatunayan nila na hindi porket ikaw yung hindi magandang forecast, no, nung simula ng liga. Talagang pinatunayan nila sa mga tao and sa mga hindi kumuha sa kanila na with teamwork and better drafting, yung mga unknowns, no, talagang and magsama-sama sila, team effort, and you will be rewarded, no. Napakaganda ng draft strategy dito ni team head Julian Sevilla, no, grabe. Sinimulan niya yan kay Abet Season, the center of attraction para sa Team Piduts, no. Then he backed it up with the nightmare duo of Nol Sevilla and Picardal, no. Then the others were just complementary pieces for those 3 picks, no. And those complementary pieces, sila yung naging ang ganda ng ginawa nilang role for this team, no. And talagang they embraced that role and they step up when the team needed them the most, no. Ang isa sa mga nakita natin ditong nag-step up is si Boss Ray, no, nung in the absence of team head Julian during some games. Siya yung nag-step up to lead this team, bringing his veteran leadership, no. Talagang talagang pinasok niya o in-insist niya yung kanyang experience, and he keeps the team motivated, no. And yun nga, nakinig naman sa kanya yung tatlong speedy guards ng Team Piduts na si Nol Sevilla, si Picardal, and Martin Padaw. And isa pa sa nag-step up dito sa Team Piduts is itong si Boss JMP, no. Grabe ang pinakita nitong Boss JMP natin, no. In the draft, siya yung almost nasa last round siya ng draftees na kinuha ng mga teams, no. At nalaglag siya sa team ni Team Julian, pero pinatunayan niya na kahit nasa later rounds ka, kailangan mo lang ng tamang dedication at tamang mindset, and true enough, he is proving the other team heads wrong in not drafting him, no? Grabe. Piruin mo, ikaw na yun nasa late rounds, tapos kasama ka pa sa last week, kasama siya sa MVP conversation, nasa top 10 siya. Biruin mo yun, no? Yun yung gusto talagang patunayan itong boss natin, no? And yun nga, wala tayong masabi. Talagang sabi nga niya, di ba? Sino nagsabing mahina ang team namin, no? Ito ang mahina, 4-0. Paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi yan. Kaya maraming salamat, boss, for proving na dapat hindi ka malungkot kung saan ka man mapunta, sa anong round ka man mapunta, no? Basta patunayan mo lang, be yourself and prove those team heads wrong. Yun. Congratulations ulit kay team head Julian for a great draft, no, and a great elimination sweep. And talagang wala na tayong masabi. At good luck sa playoffs para sa Team P-Dudes. Wala tayo sa resulta ng ating double header for last Saturday, no? We have the first game between Team BJC versus Team Brodies. This was a close ball game, no? Napakagandang laban. Talagang down the wire. Talagang back and forth yung lamang nito nung fourth quarter, no? Pero i-review muna natin kung ano nangyari sa scoring nila by quarters. First quarter lamang ang Team Brodies 24-12. Grabe ang simula ng Brodies dito. Mainit ang kanilang mga players, no? And they form a balanced attack, no? Sinuportahan nila si Jet Kasim, ang kanilang leading scorer. Then pagdating ng second quarter, medyo nakarecover doon ng Team BJC, outscoring Brodies 28-23, pero lamang pa rin ng Brodies in the half 47-40. Malaking bagay talaga pag yung lamang ka at nakakauna ka, no? Maganda yung pagkakapondo. Pagdating naman ng third quarter, second half, no, pinagpatuloy pa rin ng Team BJC ang kanilang magandang scoring from the second quarter momentum, outscoring again Team Brodies 17-9. Grabe itong BJC. Grabe yung pagpitik ng switch, no? Biruin mo from a low scoring of 12 points in a quarter, sinundan nila yan ng 28 and 17. Doon natapos ang third quarter, isa na lang ang lamang ng Brodies, 58-57, no? Then pagdating nung fourth quarter, doon na nagkaroon ng magandang laban ng back and forth na palitan ng score, back and forth na magandang depensa. But at the end of the day, yung last 14 seconds, yung knockout play ni Doc RJ to Justin Samson to Rob Yaranon, that sealed the ball game, no? Medyo lamang, ang ganda ng basa ni Justin. Nakita niyang libreng-libre si Rob sa ilalim, and Rob make Team Brodies pay. Pero di naman doon natapos, no? Naiiwan na onting segundo nung mga last 7 seconds. But Team Brodies did not convert those opportunities. Meron silang dalawang chance to get the win, but yun nga, ang ganda ng depensa ng Team BJC. So, reviewin natin ang individual stats, team leaders for each team, no? We have Yaranon with 23 points. Kasim, 17 points. Medyo mababa ang production ni Jet this ball game, no? That is not within his average na 29 to 31 points. So, doon pala makikita mo na team BJC had strategy. Then, for the rebounds, we have Yaranon with 12, Kasim with 7. Assists, we have Samson with 7, Garo with 5. Steals, we have Yaranon with 3, Bentulan with 3. Blocks, we have Yaranon with 5, and Anay with 1. Punta tayo sa individual stats, no? Unahin natin tong Team Brodies. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina, ang ganda ng distribution ng points from Team Brodies, no? Talagang tinulungan nila si Jet sa game na ito, no? Talagang dinistribute nila ang offensive load, pero ang hinahanap natin dito ay hindi naglaro ang kanilang first pick na si Gaidel De Leon, no? Kaya nakita natin na doon medyo may mismatch, pero yun nga, what they lack in height, they pinalitan nila yon ng team effort, no? As we can see na meron dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players in double digits para sa Team Brodies, no? We have Ventulan with 13, Kasim with 17, Oxinio, sorry, 11. We have Team Hev Sam with 12. We have Darwin Gara with 12 points. Pero yun nga, no, nakita natin dito, the discrepancy is the rebound department. Wala sa kanila ang naka-double figures sa rebound. And we can see naman na they tried to do team rebounding, and nakita naman natin na talagang dikit-dikit ang kanilang rebound. Assist, they had Ventulan and Gara with 5 apiece. No, sa steals, maganda rin naman. They defended well. Ventulan with 3, Kasim with 2, Gara with 2, no? And ito nga yung blocks, no? Since wala silang big man threat, 2 blocks lang ang kanilang nalagay for this ball game. Dako naman tayo sa kabilang team, no? Wait lang. Dako tayo sa kabilang team. Asan ka? Yan. Dako tayo dito sa team BJC, no? Grabe ang team BJC. They missed the services of the point guard Axel Mangrobang, no? Dalawang magkasunod na laro na wala si Axel, pero in the absence of Mangrobang, Rob Yaranon step up, no? Kita natin na siya lang ang double figure pala dito in this ball game with 23 points. The next player na sumunod sa kanya is 9 points lang in Makabadbad, no? Then we have Samson with 8, Bascon with 7, De Vera with 7, Lopez with 7. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na lamang ng Team BJC, yung rebounding, because of Yaranon and Samson. They have 12 apiece. Then sa assist, hindi na natin mawawala yan kay Justin, no? He has 7. Then ito yung advantage nila because of their height and physical presence. They have 8 blocks. 5 kay Robbie and 3-4 kay Justin Samson. Grabe ang ginapang nitong BJC nito sa larong to, no? Talagang hindi sila, doon mo makikita yung chemistry ng isang team, no? When you're down, but you are not out, no? Ang ganda ng adjustment na ginawa dito nila. Talagang inunti-unti nila yung paghabol dito, no? Piniso-piso, and a great defense converts, tapos great offense, wala na. Alam naman natin na talagang marami magagaling na defender dito, o magaling na defender to si Tin, no? And samahan mo pa ng isang energetic and alive na Rob Yaranon. Talagang this team will be deadly, lalo na sa playoffs, no? And they are back to their winning ways after losing, no, nung nakaraang game nila against the P-Dudes, no? Marami pang ilalabas yung Team BJC na yan, and to isipin nyo, wala pa si Axel Mangrobang, no? Paano pa kaya pag nandyan si Axel? Then, lipat tayo sa ating best player of the ball game. Siyempre, wala nang iba, no? Ang best player ay si Rob Yaranon with a double-double. 23 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals, and 5 blocks, no? And wala ka nang hanapin pa for a big man, no? Kasi si Rob, alam mo naman natin na scorer to eh. Pero pag dumidepensa na yan, and pag nakakahit na yan ng mga 3-pointers, medyo mahirap nang awatin tong si Rob, no? Then sa kalaban talagang tinik advantage niya rin na wala si Gaidel De Leon, and he uses in his height in this ball game, no? Congratulations sa iyo, Rob. Dako tayo sa ating second game. This is between Team EJS and Team... Asan ka? Ayun. Nalilito. Yan. The next game is between Team EJS versus Team P-Dudes, no? 72-64. Nanalo dito ang Team P-Dudes, pero that score did not, medyo malayo yan. Pero yung itong game na to is they kita, no? From start to finish, no? The first quarter lamang ang Team EJS 19-16, no? Then ang ganda ng turnaround ng P-Dudes no second quarter. They scored 19 points against the 13 points of Team Repa EJS. Lumamang na yung P-Dudes 35-32. Pagdating naman ng third quarter, bumawi doon ng Team EJS, outscoring Team P-Dudes 19-17, no? And isa na lang ang lamang ng P-Dudes, 52-51. Pagdating naman dito nung fourth quarter, no? This was back and forth. Then I think the last 3 minutes or 2 minutes or so, 2 to 4 points lang ang lamang ng P-Dudes dito. But yun nga, no, malaking factor dito sa Team EJS na konti yung players nila, no, medyo napagod na sila dito, and sayang yung run, but they cannot sustain it, and doon na medyo lumayo yung Team P-Dudes, scoring 2 points para maging 8 points, then wala na, hindi na pa nakalapit ulit ang EJS. As we go to the individual stats for each team, sa points, we have Season with 25 para sa P-Dudes. Binurayan ni Jero Saldivar with 25 of his own. Sa rebounds, we have also Abet Season with 15. And sa kabila naman, we have Team Head Rendo with 17 rebounds. Sa assist naman, we have Padaw with 3. And sa kabila, EJS, we have Banal with 3. Then sa steals, we have Noel Sevilla with 6 steals. Pambihira yan, no? Nauna, parang mas nataasan niya rito si Picardal, no? Sa kabila naman, we have Padua with 2. Then sa blocks, we have Canlas with 1 and Torres with 1. Punta tayo sa individual stats for both teams. Unahin natin yung P-Dudes, no? We have Jess Pada with 4 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, and 3 steals. We have the double-double performance. We have 3 players in double-double, no? For Team P-Dudes. Yung kanilang nightmare duo in No, hindi pala. Si team head Julian pala ito. With 12 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, and 1 block. Grabe pala to si team head Julian, no? Minsan lang maglaro, pero ang impact na dinadala sa team nila, no? And season was also supported by Lex Picardal, no? With 15 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Medyo mababa itong 3 steals para kay Picardal, no? Maganda ang ginawang point guard duties ni Jero Saldivar sa kaniya team head Rendo sa kabila. On almost double-double for Noel Sevilla, no? With 8 points, 10 rebounds, and yun nga yung 6 assists. Kaya ito yung kagandahan din sa Team P-Dudes, no? Pagdating sa steals, talagang hindi mo sila matatawaran, no? Talagang pag off night yung isa, meron pang isa na talagang magbibigay ng magandang depensa and pesky defense for you. Ito yung maganda rin sa Team P-Dudes, no? Nung wala silang big man, itong dalawa, si Picardal and Noel Sevilla, step up. Pero ganun pa rin yung laro nung dalawa nung bumalik si Abit season, no? Mas naging deadly sila. Although hindi ganun kataas yung scoring nila. Pero nandoon pa rin yung effort, no? Kasi hindi masyadong malayo. Yung points hindi naman na talagang ano, pero yung rebounds nandoon pa rin, yung pagiging pesky nila sa defense nandoon pa rin. Mas dadali ang buhay nila dahil meron na silang center of attraction in the form of Abit season. Lipat tayo sa kabilang team. Sa kabilang team naman, they have Jero Saldivar with 25 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists. He was supported by Pendon with a double-double of his own, 18 points, 15 rebounds, no? And team head Rendo and Banal doing the damage on the rebounds, no? Both has 6 points, but a double figures in rebounds with 17 and 11 respectively. Ang nakikita natin dito sa Team EJS, no? Wala yung dalawang scorers nila in Hakim Borja and Felix Buenbiae, no? And 7 players lang ang naglaro, no? Kapag yung ganyan kaunti ang players mo at ang kalaban mo ay yung nightmare duo, medyo mapapagod ka talaga niyan. At well, for Team EJS, though, the bright side is kahit wala yung dalawang scorers, the first pick and Pendon step up to share the offensive load for them, no? Talagang wala lang talagang pamalit itong team na to, no? Talagang mapapagod ka talaga. Pero 7 players, that's almost 35 minutes playing time. Kung 35 minutes kang pinipeste nung dalawa, no? Talagang medyo it will take at all of you, no? Talagang mauubusan ka ng gas pagdating sa dulo. And let's see kung sino ang naging best player of the ball game. Parang di na dapat tinatanong yan, no? The best player was Abet Season with 25 points, 13 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals, and 1 block. Nothing you can ask more for your big man, no? Double-double performance for him. And take note, ginawa niya to na nandoon yung defensive presence ng EJST in the form of David Banal, no? Baka na-challenge tong si Abet na medyo meron siyang katapatan na sa kabilang team. And I think statement game din to kay Abet Season, no? Dahil dating sa ibang liga, dati niyang kakampihan si Team Head Rendo, may gusto siyang patunayan na ewan ko lang kung anong galit niya at meron siyang gantong double-double performance. Pero kidding aside, this is what we expect from a number 1 pick, dominating performance, and talagang siguro kung kompleto yung laro nito ni Abet, he will be also in the MVP conversation, no? Tingnan natin, baka naman hindi talaga individual awards ang habol ni Abet, no? Siguro ang habol lang niya ay mag-champion ang kanilang team. Punta na tayo ngayon sa ating team standings, no? Sa bracket A, with the win, Team BJC is secured of the first spot in bracket A in 3-1. Then they are followed by INJ 1-2, then Team EJS 1-3, then Dale Time 0-3, no? Kung makikita natin dito, itong INJ and Dale Time, they still have a ball game on Saturday. Kaya medyo magugulo pa ang placing nitong 2, 3, 4 na to, no? And that will depend what will happen on Saturday. Kaya medyo maganda pang palaisipan kung sino ang makakatapat ng Team BJC sa quarterfinals. Punta naman tayo sa kabilang bracket. Sa kabilang bracket naman, with that win of Piduts, they secured the first seed of bracket B 4-0. They are followed by Team CAK 2-1, the Good Boys 1-2, and Team Brodies 2-2. Kung papansinin din natin, ganun din ang sistema dito sa bracket B, no? Hindi pa secured kung kanino mapupunta ang second, third, or fourth place. Depende yan sa mangyayari sa Saturday, the last game of elimination. Dito mo makikita na in spite na meron kang team na walang talo, all other teams are equal, no? Talagang hanggang sa last elimination games, doon pa lang magkakaalaman kung sino ang magkakatapatan pagdating ng quarterfinals. After nyan, reviewin muna natin ulit bago tayo pumunta sa game sa Saturday, no? Reviewin muna natin ang ating mga league leaders as of last Saturday. Scoring, kahit 17 points lang ang na-score ni Jet Kasim last Saturday, he is still leading the pack with 29 points per game. He is followed by Isaiah Nang with 27, Angel Dino with 26, Topher Roque with 23, Lex Picardal with 19. So, tingnan natin, may laro pa itong second, third, fourth, no? May chance pa silang ma-overtake si Jet Kasim sa scoring leader at the end of eliminations. And ang maganda rito, yung magkalaban, yung second and yung third scoring leader, no? Talagang magbibigayan yan at talagang feeling ko hahabulin nila yan. Pagdating naman dito sa rebounds, we have Albert Ganapin still leading the pack with 18 rebounds, followed by Topper Roque with 17, Rendo Padua with 17, Jan Kabugawan with 15, and JC Fagyao with 11. Ganon ka-intense dito sa rebounding, oh. And the top 4 players still have games to play on Saturday, no? Talagang hindi pa natin malalaman din kung sino who will be the rebound king for season 1 hanggang sa last day ng elimination, and everything is possible. Ay, hindi pala. Yung 1, 2, and 4 lang pala ang may laro, no? Si Rendo kasi tapos na siya, so he's out sa 17 rebounds niya. But still, this is a close race for the rebounding leader. Dako tayo sa ating assist leader. Kung tingin nyo, close na yung points, rebounds, ito ang mas close sa assist leader. Still leading the pack is Justin Samson with 7 assists, followed by Jan Kabugawan with 7, EJ Villarosa with 7, Rendo Padua with 5, and Lex Picardal with 5. Pero kapansin-pansin dito, yung number 2 and number 3 may laro pa yan sa Saturday at magkakampiyan. Pwede sigurong mag-usap yung dalawa na yan, if kung sino yung gusto lang maging assist leader, no? Pero feeling ko both of them don't hindi nila iniisip yung stats, no? They just want to win the ball game. Pero syempre iba pa rin yung nanalo ka na at meron ka pang bonus na magiging team leaders, league leader sa isang category, no? Grabe, 7 assists, napakahirap gawin yan. Dako tayo sa steals department, and this one, I think this is already finished, no? Lex Picardal and Noel Sevilla with 6 apiece. And tingin ko wala nang laro yung ibang players, so I think this will be a battle between the Nightmare duo, no? Point difference lang ata to, no? Pero let's see. Hanggang quarterfinals pa naman tong ating league leader dahil meron pang lahat ng teams ay may laro, no? But this one is already wala na, parang kumbaga finish na. This is between the first and the second player. Wala nang habol yung iba. Punta naman tayo sa blocks, no? Itong blocks nung una, feeling natin hirap na hirap habulin, pero this is the first time na medyo dumikit yung blocks kay Topher Roque, no? But he is still leading the pack with 12. He's followed by Justin Samson with 10, Robbie Yaranon with 8, Ray Noro with 6, and Dale Time Perez with 6. So, etong dalawang 6 na to, kung magkakaroon ng miracle sa Sabado, no, pwede pa sila makahabol. Pero may laro din kasi si Topher, no? So, this department siguro wala na rin sigurong medyo, if some miracle happened in the quarterfinals, no, baka mahabol pa si Topher, pero I think this is one for the books na rin. All praise for Topher, no? Talagang ang ganda ng pinakita niya dito sa season 1 ng VRBL Draft Combined. At yun, speaking of magandang pinakita, no, this is also the first time that we are seeing the MVP race na hindi si Topher Roque yung nauna, no? Leading the pack now is the speedy guard in Lex Picardal with 234 statistical points. He is followed by Justin Samson with 222 statistical points. Jet Kasim with 212. Toffer Roque with 199. Noel Sevilla with 168. Rendo Padua with 167. Angel Dino with 166. Rob Yaranon with 162. Jess Pada with 159. Isaiah Nang with 146. Pero may impact pa rin tong last game, no? Lalo na rito para kay Toffer Roque, no? Konti lang tong hinahabol niyang statistical points. This is only 35. Basing from his performance during the last 3 games of Team Good Boys, no? Yung 35 na yan, double-double lang yan sa points and rebounds. Kung may block pa siya. If he will maintain that good performance and magiging kalmado siya, pagpapatuloy niya yung pagiging kalmado niya this season, I think he will be back on top of this MVP race, no? Dito sa top 10, no, medyo talaga yun nga, sabi natin kanina, nakakagulat dito is yung pangalan ni Boss JMP, no, with 159 statistical points. Grabe yung pinapakita nung mama na to, no, talagang pinapatunayan niya na hindi ako pang last pick, and he is proving that team head Julian, maganda yung pagka-gamble sa kanya, no, nung last round, and binibigyan niya naman talaga yung kanyang lahat, and nakikita naman natin sa effort na talagang kahit undersize siya, he rebounds, he defends, and he scores sometimes. Nakikita natin yung aggressiveness niya rito, no? And so, wala na. Siya ni Boss JMP lang actually ang nakikita ko ritong medyo hindi natin inaasahan na papasok dito sa top 10 ng ating MVP race. Teka. Yan. So, yun. Dako naman tayo sa ating mali yung poster. Oh. Dako naman tayo sa ating games para sa Saturday. Ay, tama na pala yun. Ano ba yan? Sorry. Yan. Sa ating first game, this will be between the Good Boys and INJ. It will start at 2:15 PM, no, kasi double header na lang tayo, and this is the last 2 games of the elimination. Both teams are coming from losses from their last game, and this will be a statement and momentum shifter coming into the playoffs, no. Medyo kailangan to ng both teams para at least gumanda yung standings nila, no, and opportunity to be a second seed in their brackets, no. Basing from the performance, no, itong Good Boys kasi they are in a 2-game slump, while itong INJ is 1 game lang, no, nanalo sila ng kanilang second game. This will be a tough matchup also for Toffer Roque, no. He will be up against the Twin Towers of JM Labares and Benson Garcia. Ito lang yung kagandahan dito sa INJ, no. Talagang maganda yung complementary pieces na kinuha ni team head JC, no. Medyo kinakapos lang sila ng mga last ball games nila. Pero dito natin nakikita na talagang the team has role players, they have scorers, they have legit big mans, they have shooters. Wala ka nang ihingin. Medyo nung last game lang nila, medyo kinapos lang. And siguro medyo na-late lang din si team head JC no. Second quarter ata siya dumating, kaya wala siya masyadong stretching noon and warm up. But yun, this INJ team is deadly pagdating sa playoffs, lalo na medyo nagje-gel na sila no, and everybody knows their role in this team, and kayang mag-comeback din ito, you know, from I think nakalaban nila yung P-Dudes, tinambakan sila pero hinabol nila, bandang huli kinapos lang. This has the right pieces. They just need to gel together pa no, kasi minsan medyo parang nagsasapawan sila, lalo na sa fast break attack no. Basta kailangan nila mag-amuyan this INJ. Ito na mga team Good Boys no. They need to regroup no. They need some scoring outside of Topher Roque and Arizala no. Nakita natin nung mga unang weeks si Arizala nasa MVP contention, pero yun nga, lately medyo nawawala siya. Then they need some scoring from their team head, Irvin Pamiroyan no. Ito yung key kasi kailangan nila ng 3-point shooting ni Irvin no. And George Faraon, we know na defensively talagang wala ka nang masasabi pa sa team na to. Those role players know how to defend well, lalo na sa steals no, and one-on-one and team defense. Talagang yan ang forte ng Good Boys. Pero yun nga, minsan pagdating sa opensiba, medyo nangangapa sila at wala silang go-to guy actually no. Walang shot creator dito sa team Good Boys, which is yun dapat yung role ni team head Irvin no. Kailangan niya mag-init para malibre yung ibang mga kakampi niya and lumuwag yung depensa kay Topher sa gitna. Key matchup here is between the two shooters and the two team heads, Irvin Pamiroyan and JC Hoxon no. Kung sinong team head ang unang mag-iinit, they will have the advantage. Kasi syempre iba yung may rhythm ka at meron kang parang alam mo yun, basta yun, hindi ko ma-express pero kumpiyansa yun. Iba yung may kumpiyansa ka. Syempre pag may kumpiyansa ka, the defense will magbabago yung depensa, and yun yung mga bigs will be free. Sa bigs naman, yun no, this is between JM Lavares and Topher Roque no. Both of them tumatakbo, both of them can shoot, both of them can go to the boards no. Pinagkaiba lang itong sa INJ, JM has a backup in Benson Garcia no. Speaking of Benson, yun kailangan din niyang if hindi sila magkasabay ni JM no, and he is the tallest guy in the court, he needs to assert himself no, kasi alam naman natin na lamang siya sa height, and the other team doesn't have a legit big man na outside of Topher no, so he could maximize it and take advantage of that. Then another X factor, X matchup here is between Pabor and George Faraon, no. Ito yung mga players na aasahan natin na tutulong dun sa shooters ng both team, no. Itong si Pabor, grabe, given the opportunity, he will score a lot. Magaling din to, lalo na sa fast break, no. But he will be challenged here kasi si George Faraon naman napakagaling sa depensa niyan and one-on-one defense. So if one of them can took advantage of the other, it will be a plus factor for the team. You know, and I think others here, yun na nga, sinabi natin kanina, si Arizala and Noro needs to step up for the good boys. And for INJ, I think another X factor is Chanti Bivar, no? We know naman na all heart to pagdating sa depensa. Pero kapag nakaka-shoot to ng kanyang, meron tong perimeter shooting eh. Kapag nag-init to, talagang titira at titira to. And he could knock down that shot, no? Kapag nagawa niya in a consistent basis, medyo plus factor yan sa INJ. So, ang ating prediction, yeah, dami ko sinabi, no? So, for this game, I think, with the obvious advantage in height and with more go-to guys than the other team, I think INJ will win this matchup, no? Pero dikit lang, siguro mga 5 to 8 points siguro ang lamang. That's a big if pa kasi dahil ang ano natin dito is kung maagang darating si Team Head JC, no. Alam naman natin na si Team Head JC medyo maraming liga ang lilig. Shout out sa iyo Team Head JC, TFTI. Paka naman. So yun, yeah, kasi kailangan na mag-init si Team Head JC for Team INJ to keep going, no? INJ nga, no? Itlog ni JC, ano kung hindi siya i-score ng madami. Yan. So, medyo manghang ating forecast doon, no? INJ winning by 5 to 8 points. Dako naman tayo sa ating second game for Saturday. This is between the team Shano Auto Works King Wendy versus the Dale Time with the power of friendship. Ito naman, this is also a great matchup, no? In the post, we have a matchup of Angel Dino and Albert Ganapin, no? Both hard-nosed players and both players na hindi kailangan yung bola, no, to be effective. They just crush the boards, they just do putbacks, they give their energy to the team. And I think kung yung isa sa kanila is malilimit yung isa, that will be a plus factor for the team. And a great matchup also here is between Isaiah Nang and EJ Villarosa, no? Both players are run and gun types of guard, pero pinagkaiba lang si EJ Villarosa is more of a slasher and a strict shooter, ay hindi naman strict shooter, has shooting. Samantalang ito naman si Isaiah Nang is we know naman na talagang titira at titira to, no? Layup yan, 3 points yan, basta fast break, he will give it his all. If yun nga, no, if EJ can limit the production of Isaiah, that will be a plus for Shano Auto Works. Another matchup here is in between shooters in Bricks Buckley and Reese Ramos, no. We know both of them are great shot makers for their teams, no. Kung sino yung player na mag-iinit sa larong to, may advantage, yun, makukuha yung advantage para sa team nila. Also, we have the shooting of R.A. Aquino, no. Nakita naman natin last game, no, grabe yan. Kapag nag-init talaga, mainit talaga yan si R.A. Wala ka nang mahirap pigilan. At speaking of mahirap pigilan, meron ding pang counter na ganyan ng team Shano Auto Works King Wanli, no, in the form of Marcel Shano, no. Etong si Shano kasi magaling to sa open court, no, and he has a perimeter shooting. Minsan lang kasi nagpapanggap na pass per share, kaya minsan nawawala sa ulirat. Pero alam niyo si Shano, this is talagang go-to guy yan, no, and given the green light, he will do coast to coast, he will score in every given opportunity. So, yun, no, na ano na natin yung mga key matchup for this ball game. And I think with momentum on their side, I think team Shano Auto Works will win this one. Pero this will also be a close ball game. Siguro mga ganun din, no, 5 to 8 points lang din ang magiging lamang nito. Malalim kasi yung bench ng Shano Auto Works, no. They still have Galotera in that bench. They still have a secondary rebounder in Jan Kabugawan. Doon sa second unit lamang yung yung Shano Auto Works. And if those second unit will deliver, medyo mahihirapang humabol tong Dale Time with the power of friendship, no. But I'm not counting them out, no. Sinasabi lang natin based from the last 3 games and based from the depth of both teams, kasi itong Shano Auto Works lagi itong 10 so they have the chemistry na, and talagang they know where to find each other. Samantalang tong Dale Time minsan 7, minsan 8, minsan 10, no. So they can still find the rhythm. So yun, I think I will have Shano Auto Works taking this ball game. So ayan. Wait, masakit sa teka lang. Ayan. So yun, no. Natapos na naman tayo sa another podcast natin, no. And as you know, next Wednesday is the last podcast for the elimination for season 1, no. And I think maganda na naman ang ating magiging usapan nun. And yun nga, lagi lang kayong mag-antabay every Wednesday, no. We will do this as much as possible and as in depth analysis as possible, no? If may mga suggestions kayo and comments, sabihin nyo lang sa akin. And naman, tayo ay willing and tayo naman ay open sa mga ganyan, no? And for this week, very good ball games last Saturday, no? And this coming Saturday, I think, will be much better than last Saturday kasi last day of elimination and may bearing pa sa standings for all of the teams involved. And this will give them momentum coming to the quarterfinals of our season 1. Yan. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-antabay at nanood sa ating live Facebook podcast, no? Huwag po kayo magsasawa at talagang gagawin natin to linggo-linggo. So, for this week, this is Coach H-Bomb for BRBL Draft Combined out. Thank you!